we go walking, and he looked into my eyes. Lord knows to my surprise, the only boy that could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. Said the only boy that could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Ooh, yes, he was. Being good isn't always easy, no matter how hard I try. But when he started sweet talking to me, he come and told me that everything is all